everyone, welcome to this session number 229. And well, I will continue with the problem that I was resolving in the morning. That is the this, no, it's not. This is this is the previous. Where appear? Daily. This. Yeah. And I have this time. I will set 50 minutes. Okay. Now, before until the last until here it's done. Yeah, because it's basically the value, in this case n module of k, that in this case is 5, in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, for the 5 is 0, and basically it's only have the pairs for these values. But I didn't know how resolve this problem, because this problem to make the pairs, because yeah, because basically I have this, and my idea is that for example, the module of 1, I have the 1 and the 6, means that this and this can return 1. Yeah, and in this case means that I need search one value that have the module of 4. In this case is 4 and 9. Yeah, basically I can use this and this, or this and this, and get the pair. Yeah, now for this I think all the numbers, why disappear? The 5, yeah. I need the 5 to reach 5 is this. Well, I think that if I have this map, I can apply this with this. No. Is k less the first element appear here? No, I don't want to do this, because for example, if I have 100,000 on digits, is basically a counter that reduce, and it's not my idea. My idea is that get these values. Okay, is get these values. Yeah, and get the first, and k less n, it's equal, in this case k it's 5 less 1, it's equal 4. Is search here in the 4, and is this with this, this with this. Yeah, even if the size is different, it's wrong in this moment. Now the next that is the 2. The 2 is contained here. Should be. Yeah, I think that get the keys. Okay, for this is for get keys map Java is key set. But what return this? Come on. Is this? And no, I only want the keys. Map values. Get keys. Get keys Java key set. But which structure is this? Key set. Is here. Set. Okay. In this case, is a set of integers. Set it's equal map dot key set. Yeah, forget these values. And next here is only integer n set, and is validate if map dot contains n, do this operation, yeah, and inside them I need to do this operation integer result r it's equal k less n, that is the number. For example, if our current map with this value is 1 2 3 4 0 5 1 2 3 4 0 5. Okay, and now here imagine that the first element is the 1. Yeah, in this case I am doing this operation that 5 less 1 it's equal 4. Yeah, okay. And I need validate if this 4 exists. Yeah, in the case that doesn't exist, means that is false. Yeah, if map dot contains key, the key is r but negative, return false. Why? Because, for example, if the operation of this return 4 and the 4 never appear in this, for example, appear only that, means that we don't have the pair for the element, right? Now here is okay. With this, we are sure. In this moment, we are sure that exists the pair. What is the next? The next is basically map.remove. It removes these elements. Remove element map Java. Remove. I think that it's only with remove, and remove all complete the object. Remove 20 and remove. Okay. Remove n should be remove r. Yeah. Contains key. the same thing here. Mm, okay, I think that I should, yeah, I can modify the values. For this reason appear this the concurrent modification exception. Uh, if I put only for to this of this test, new released, and here is if I have only one, in K it's 2, should we return false? Okay. Uh, map that contains mm, 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 mm. Sorry, I forget to share the problem, the link of the problem. Okay, we have the set. In this case, this set have the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, and next to is okay. The first point is that both elements should be have the same length. Yeah, for example, the elements in that are represented by the 1 as a module of the operation, if have 2, but the second element that is the pair, for example in this case is the 4, appear only one time, means that okay, are you have the pairs but it's not complete, right? Okay, one way to avoid the modify these values, it's yeah, I think that is using a set hash set integer sin it's equal new hash set, yeah, and do this operation. In this case is if sin dot contains n but negative means that do it, yeah. Now the next stat is integer r it's equal k less n, yeah, and next to is having this, for example in this case is 4 because it's 5 less n that is 1 is 4. Now we need to search the 1 and the 4, and this is a validation if sin contains, no, this is, it's not necessary, this is only map to get n dot size, come on, it's equal to this. But now in here, we need validate that both exist in the map. Sync.add. Okay. Now, oh, come on, what is happening? Because it's null. Okay, in this case, for example, should we return true? Map.get in okay, in the case that n doesn't exist in the map or r doesn't exist in no, but n I am sure that exists because it's the set, yeah, it's basically this, and this provides, or we get these values of the, oh, set okay, the only element that I need to validate is this. If map.contains key r doesn't exist, or oh sorry, this negative of this, well, at least I I didn't an error. But okay, now what is the problem? Is space okay? Now here is false. I think that is maybe because it's so heavy number or longer long number. Okay, now here, well, this is a short numbers and fail. Why? I have doubt here. I have the one. In this case, less one is 4. 4 is not contained, or if map.get the position n size it's equal to this. If are equal, it's not execute and only add and add. Now the next that is the 2. The 2, the other part is 5 is 3. Yeah, in this case, yeah, for in this case works, but in this case, what is happening? Okay, 25 minutes more, and if I didn't, if I can't resolve, I will check the answer. Here, for example, the array is less 8, less 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Ah, I am losing 2 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, I have 2 6. 7. Okay, I have 2 6. 8. I have only 1. Less 8. Appear only 1. 1 8. Okay. Less 8. It's only 1. 4. 4 appear twice. Okay. Now, here is basically okay, is this number, and k, what is the value? K is 2. Okay, is 0. Oh, I think that is negative. It's 0, means that I need, this should be returned true, right? Oh, false, 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 no. This should be returned true. Well, here don't make sense this point, because I don't, it's, I only check the frequency, not the values. In this case, I think that it's enough with at this value, and this change for this, and here is only plus plus. I'm not sure if I can do this operation or is plus 1. Okay, I'm not sure. I need to check this. Yeah, no. Put this map.get this plus 1. And these, when are different, it's wrong. Okay, now this is 0. For reach the 2, I need the 2. In this case, which number? I think that is the 4. 4, 2, it's 0. No, which values? 6, 0, 8. k plus k module of k. What? We have an array size. Okay. We have an array of size n and need to divide exactly n to base. The sum of each page is divisible by k. We will return true if we can make these pairs and false other ways. To form a pair, we first pick an integer from the array and calculate its module k, which we will cut mod to find a suitable pair partner for this integer. We look for another element with a module value of k minus mod, k minus mod. Okay, for example, in this case, is for 8, module of 2 is 0 plus k that is 2 is 2. 2 module of 2 is equal 0. 0 kind of certain pointers. Yeah, it's confused this. Okay, I need to check the solution of Java here. It's minor to 0. Yeah, for this reason here doesn't appear. Wave frequency here is k. Okay, no, let me check another solution. Java. Is the first with the last, the first with the, no. 1. The first with the last. If I is equal 0, that's happened in this case. Okay, let me check. Here I need to modify this. It's not necessary at this point because the way to discard the elements is basically with less 1. Yeah, in this case map.put in the position air map.get less 1. Yeah, here is with n less 1, and it's basically if it's a negative number, yeah, if map dot this okay, the only thing that I don't catch before to continue is that it's equal 1. Why? 2, it's equal 1. What is this? I is the module. Okay, here. R. The first is if this doesn't exist in this, return false and stop it. But now the next step, if get air module of 2 it's equal 1, return false. Why? Because air in this case is, for example, if the first element is 1, if the element is 1 and k is 5 and I am searching the 4, in the 4 module of 2, 4 module of 2 is 0, 4 module of 2, no, 4 module of 5, it's 4, but why 1? I don't understand this, why 1? Okay, let me check with this problem. This is the original array and the result are in the map is 1 2 3 4 0 5 5 1 2 3 4 and so 1 2 3 4 0 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, and here I am calculate 5 less 1 it's equal 4, and we need to ask if the 4 is not contained or the 4 to get in this position it's equal 1. Why 1? If it's 4 module of 2 it's 2, right? Now why in this is for calculate if it's even, odd or even, yeah, and no, I think that it's not container, return true. If the numbers are different, return false. In other case, in this, I should be remove 0 and 0. Yeah. Contains key. Okay, no, but I need to add this part of the solution here, but why? I module of 2, okay, let me put only 4 for discard that this, if map to get this module of 2 it's equal 1, return false. No. what is the use of n? Any use? Okay. Yi is equal 0. Oh. Okay. If I is equal 0, I do this operation. Other case is this with this and the calculate. By y0, for example, less 8 module of 2 it's equal 0. In this case we are searching this. Okay, what is the data here? The count of number here must be even. If the remainder for an element is 0, then the count of numbers that gives the remainder must be even. For the reason should be do this. Yeah, basically here. Yeah. Here is if the result is equal 0, return false. No, if is this in the result, yeah, map.get error module of 2 it's equal 1, return false. In other case, basically is only compare the first with the it's not necessary this else if, I think. Zero. Oh no, yeah, it's necessary, but in this case it's else if no. Yeah, makes sense that exists inside this. And the other is basically in the else. And here is if map.get error it's different to map.get n, return false, other case return true. Sure, yeah, in this case is k less rem. In this case k it's 5 less 1 is 4. Yeah, rem error. What is wrong here? Yeah, because are objects. Well, I think that maybe okay, maybe I have the right direction. Let me check. What is this is wrong. Here, let me try with my previous version. Here, for example, I have this. Now the next stat is we have air, integer x is equal k less air. Yeah, in this case the first value is, for example, here n it's equal 1, and here is 4, and here is 1. Yeah, because it's 5 less 4, it's equal 1. And I need to check map if map.contains key, in this case negative x, because no, both air or no, let me update it. This air and x, but in negative. Yeah, both should be exist. In the case that no, it return false. Yeah. Now the next stat is in this point we are sure that both element or both values exist. Now is map dot get air I'm not sure if I can parse it this way. Or no, I think that integer a is equal for force the parse here, and is the same with the other b it's equal x if a it's different to b, return false. Other case, map put in the index I the value of 0, and here the value of 0 in b. Oh, come on. Air, sorry, here is air and x, not the others. I still having the same error, but maybe it's for the 0. Where? Here. Okay, it's not necessary the other. I think that is this. Is this part. But I don't know if the remainder of the element is 0. For example, the 8 less 8 is 0. I remember that this number in the module was 2 is 0. Means that the rem, I so confused this. It's only I module of k, the I is less 8, it's 0. in the case that it is not. If error is equal 0, and if map.get error module of 2 is this. Okay, let me check the comments because I was confusing with this. Okay, let me do this test. Here, this operation for this module of this plus k module of k. And here in air it's the same, but here is n module here is the same. Air it's n module of k plus k. Okay, let me check this by removing this element because it's so noisy, this calculus. And it's still okay. I think that maybe it's for this. And what mentioned here the comment. Okay, let me come back. I want to test my previous solution with this change in the calculus. Okay, here. Okay, here is k less this module plus k module of k module of k, and here is similar. Is this plus k module of k. Yeah, I was right. It's only for this calculus. Okay, but what is the rule of this? For example, I have k that is 2, 2 less. Uh, okay, let me check the. Uh, ah, okay. Here, what is the test? That this is the 5. Let me check these points. I was right, but only the calculus for the negative numbers was wrong. But in this case, the first time set is 0. And 1. Uh-huh. Now for the 0, the first element is 0. K, that is 2. The 0 is 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 module of 2 is 2, right? 4 module of 2. No, it's 0. Ah, yeah. Is the residual. Yeah, it's 0. No, but I think that is here. I need check what is the way that this formula save the negative numbers. In this case, the first time is this. Has 0 and 0. Now is the negative. In this case, is this. I think that this formula basically transform the objects. Okay, let me check. Where is the value? But what is the difference to handle in this way that only use the. Okay, let me. Okay, I copy my code here. What is the difference between this and only use ABS value, right? For example, take air, it's equal mat.abs and mat.abs module of k, yeah, and put here this and this, and here the same. No, it's not the same. Okay, now here in the comments, no. here is wrong. Okay, I will save for try again because it's a little confused this. This calculus. Okay, well, thanks for following this transmission, and I will see you in the next transmission.